In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma to Lottie plugin. Let's get started right from your browser. Open the Figma website so you're in your workspace and ready to work. Once you're in, open your page, the one that contains the frames, components, or layouts where you want to experiment with motion. This keeps everything focused and makes it easy to see changes as you go. Next, look toward the top of the interface and click Actions. This opens the quick command palette, which is the fastest way to reach tools without hunting through menus. From there, click Plugins. That narrows the results to plugins only, so you can find what you need with fewer distractions and stay in the flow of your design work. In the search field, enter Lottie. You'll typically see the Figma to Lottie option appear in the list. Selecting it here ensures you're working with the plugin designed to bridge your Figma designs and Lottie animations. When you see it, click it and click Run. This launches the plugin in a panel inside Figma, so you can work without leaving your canvas. Once the panel opens, take a moment to scan the interface and get comfortable. You can explore what the plugin offers to enhance your design, such as browsing available animations, previewing how motion might play with your current layout, and understanding any controls the plugin provides. If there are options to tweak speed, looping, or other parameters, try subtle adjustments to see how the animation complements your visual hierarchy rather than competing with it. Keep an eye on how motion draws attention. Use it intentionally to guide the user's focus, emphasize states, or create smooth transitions between elements. As you experiment, think about consistency and performance. Keep movement styles coherent across your frames and avoid overusing effects that could feel distracting. Short, purposeful animations usually feel polished and professional. When previewing, look for clean easing, clear start and end points, and alignment with your brand's tone. If something feels busy, dial it back until the motion supports the message instead of overshadowing it. That's all there is to it. Open the Figma website, open your page, click Actions, click Plugins, enter Lottie, then click it and click Run. From there, feel free to explore the plugin's features and apply them thoughtfully to elevate your design. Thanks for watching and enjoy bringing your static designs to life with smooth, purposeful motion.